നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഐ ആം അജിത് ഫ്രം ശിവപാർവതി ക്രിയേഷൻസ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ഫ്രഷ് വെജിറ്റബിൾ ഷോപ്പിലാണ്. ബാബു എന്നാണ് സാറിൻ്റെ ഓണറിൻ്റെ പേര്, മാനേജറുടെ പേര്. വെരി ഫൈൻ വെജിറ്റബിൾ, പ്യുവർ ഫ്രഷ് vegetable shop. You can see by yourself when you come to Rani. You can see this one. Plenty items are there, loaded fully fresh vegetables. You when you visit to Rani, you come here at this shop, very near to Rani bypass, very near to Federal Bank ATM. So you can see almost all are vegetable. See, I took one kit for Vishu, cost 200 rupees. See, the kit contain everything, you know. Okay, so fresh Lalika, you can see this one is, everything is fresh. You can see everything is fresh. Everything is fresh. Come here and very near to that is on shop with full fruits. Like you can see this one. Mangoes, robusta. See this one. So remember this shop when you are at Rani. Everything is fresh here. Everything is fresh here. When you come through Rani, you just come to the bypass, very near to Federal Bank ATM. So you can see this shop. He is the owner of the shop, a nice person. Okay, tata, bye bye. I am Ajit, Shivaparvati Creations. Thank you. May God bless you.